going to discuss on new topic isotopes and isobars of chemistry. This is the last topic of your this chapter. Students, isotopes and isobars. What are isotopes and isobars? Today we know about the definition, example as well as significance about them. Let's start first the isotopes. Students, it is derived from the Greek word iso, that means same or similar, and topes means place. Topes means place. Here the place means atomic number. What? Atomic number. Yes, students, we can define the isotopes as the kind of elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Yes, students, having same atomic number but different mass number are known as isotopes. Let us take an example of isotopes. Hydrogen is an element. Hydrogen has three isotopes. What are these? These are the 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. This is protium. This is protium. This is deuterium. And this is tritium. Yes, students. Here what we find among these three isotopes of hydrogen, we find that the atomic number of each atom is same. It means 1, but their mass number or atomic mass is consecutively different from 1 to 3. Here the atomic mass of protium is 1, atomic mass of deuterium is 2, and atomic mass of tritium is 3. But these are the atoms of hydrogen. Their atomic number is same but mass number is different. That are called the isotopes. Let us take another example of other isotopes of elements. Then carbon element has two isotopes. Carbon has two isotopes. What are these? First one is 6C12 and the another is 6C14. This is known as carbon 12 and this is known as carbon 14. Yes, students, this is carbon 12 and this is carbon 14. The atomic number of both carbon atoms is same, but their atomic mass or mass number is different. Thus, students, let us take another example of another elements isotopes. Uranium, that is a radioactive element. Uranium has also two isotopes. What are these? 92U2 235, 92U235 and 92U238. These are known as uranium-235, uranium-235 and uranium-238. These are the isotopes of uranium. Uranium are the radioactive elements and they are the rarest earth elements which are rarely found in native lands of Russia, America as well as China and some part of India also, like in some region of Rajasthan. Uranium are used as the fuel in the nuclear power plants or nuclear reactors. Now students, these are the two isotopes of uranium, uranium-235 and uranium-238. What is the common in them? The atomic number of both uranium atom is same but the mass number is different. Okay students, I hope you will very well understood about the isotopes. Now we are going to know about the importance of isotopes. What kind of action performed by these isotopes? If we are talking about the importance of isotopes, then cobalt-60 is a isotope of cobalt element that is used in treatment of cancer. Yes students, that are used in the treatment of sarcomas cancer, it means skin cancer. There is a therapy of provide the treatment for curing the cancer-like disease with the help of cobalt-60. Next, deuterium. Deuterium is the isotope of hydrogen. It forms the heavy water whose the chemical formula is D2O. D2O is the heavy water. It means deuterium. It is overlapped on the surface of the nuclear power plants and act as the controller of the nuclear reactions. Now students, uranium-238 is used as fuel in the nuclear power plants. Like many more examples and importance of the isotopes are found in our daily life. Now students, we are going to discuss about the isobars. Isobars. Students, it is also derived from the Greek word iso, means same, and bars means mass or atomic mass. Thus students, what are isobars? Isobars may be defined as the kinds of elements having same mass number or atomic mass but have different atomic number. Yes students, having same mass number or atomic mass but different atomic number. Let us take examples of isobars. First, I want to define the bars, the kinds of elements having same atomic mass or mass number, atomic mass or mass number, but different atomic number are said to be isobars. Let us take an example of isobars. Here the students argon, a noble gas whose symbol is Ar, its atomic number is 18, whereas mass number is 40. And another taking the example of calcium, its its symbol is Ca, atomic number is 20 and the mass number is 40. What is the common between both these two elements? We find common that their mass number are equal, but atomic number are different. This is the example of isobars. Thus, students, this chapter will be completed, and I hope you are enjoying this chapter very well. If any kind of queries or any kind of problems in any topics, you can comment in box. Thanks, students, for joining today's lecture.